going to add some media to our Google Slides presentation. And media is anything from images to hyperlinks to videos. So today we're going to do actually a photo and a video. So here we go. I have my practice presentation, and it says Hancock Day School, which is fine. And then I can type in, let's do maybe a slides intro video. And then I'm going to go and find, I'm going to do my own video. And here we are. So what you actually do is, hang on. All right, here we are. Once you found a video, woo, that was loud. All right, once you found a video, then you want to share it, is how you get the link for it. So there's kind of two options. You can go up here and copy this link, or you can go down here and copy this link. And they're both going to take you to the same place. But if you want to start at a certain time, so if you want to start at 1 minute into the video, then you can do that, and this link will get you there. Okay, so now I've copied my link, and I'm going to insert it in here. I actually don't want this, so I'm going to go to Layout. Right, I'm going to click here, Layout, and I'm actually going to go to Title Only, and that'll get rid of that text box. Your other option is to click on this text box and highlight it in blue, and then hit Delete or Backspace. Okay, so there's that, and now I'm going to insert a video. Here's my video, and you can search here. I just copied a URL, which is that address that I copied, or you can grab it from your Google Drive if you've got it saved there. All right, we're going to go by URL, and I'm going to paste that in, and it found my video, so I'm going to select that, and it'll insert it. You can change your size, which I'm going to do right here, and then you can make it play on a click. You can play it automatically when you get to that slide, or you can have to go find the play button and actually hit the play button rather than just clicking on the picture. You can change your start at, end at times. So if you just want to watch like a 15-minute segment of something, then you can choose where you start and where you end. If you just want to watch the video and not the audio because you want to talk over it, if you're doing a presentation, then you can mute the audio, which is actually pretty cool. Okay, so there's your video, and then I'm actually going to insert a notebook. All right, my layout, this time I want to do this one because I want to say, here's my notebook, and I'm going to say it's for writing reflections in about Google training. All right. Then I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to go insert, image, and then you have options here. You can upload it from your computer. You can search the web. If you have a URL, you can do that. You can take a picture actually from the camera on your computer. If you have photos in your Drive or in Google Photos, you can insert from there. Okay, so I found this one right here. And I'm going to I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to copy the address of it, the image address, and then that's how I'm going to put it in here. Now you can just right click and say copy image and then paste it in. What else could you do? You could save it to your Drive. You could download it and insert it, but I'm actually going to go by URL, and then I copied that, and there's my picture. So insert this. I like this option because it it'll pull from the same place every time. So if this picture, if the website that this picture is on goes down, then it won't work anymore. All right, one last thing. You see how there's so much gray space around this picture? I think I want to crop it, which means I'm going to change the size, and delete some things. So there's two ways to do this. There's this crop button right here that will let you either just crop it in a rectangle in whatever shape you want it to be in, or you can crop it to a shape. So if you just want a circle, there's your circle, and then you can move this in, and then you can change the size actually. So it's actually really cool. So that's good. I'm going to go back to my original, and I'm just going to do a regular crop. If you double click on the image, it will let you crop it as well. So then I'm going to drag this in and delete some of this space, some of the gray space. Okay. And that's that. And then if you click and drag here, you can change it. You can change the size of the image, but it will stay the same dimension, so you won't stretch it in any way. If you change it here, like you can make it real short and fat. Remember that everything you do, you can undo with Control Z. And you can spin this around in a circle. It will tell you when you're spinning it how many degrees you are from 0. So I'm going to go back to 0, and it'll actually snap in at 90 or 180 or 270 for you, so that you don't miss it.